What is the graph of equation 2 to the negative x plus 1? All right, so this is an example of exponential decay because of that negative x right there. So what you're going to see is you're going to see something that looks like decay, which is that one, or that one. Decay looks like this. So not you, not you. Now, what makes this one special is decay with no attachments always goes through the point 0, 1. Because what's going to happen is 2 to the 0th power is anything to the 0th power is going to be 1. So the equation y equals who cares to the negative x is always going to go through 0, 1. However, we are adding 1 to it. So by adding 1, we're taking our graph and we're shifting it up 1 more unit, which means our guy, by adding 1, is going to go through 0, 2, which means although this looks promising and has the same shape, this guy goes through 0, 2, which means the answer that we want is A. Now, I don't know if this is a calculator section problem or not. I'm doing pretty much every problem I can without the use of a calculator. And if it was a graphing calculator section, you would just plug it in, match up graphs. But I'm using common sense for this one. And if worse comes to worse, you can always make like an XY table and plug things in and see what happens. And you would find out that if I plug in 0, I would get 2 to the negative 0, which is 1, plus 1 is 2. And that's the guy that I want. And as I do more problems, my numbers get smaller, 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 smaller. Okay? So the answer is A.